for holding this retreat for the glory of God. So, to continue our program, no, yung mangyayari the whole day, I mean up to lunch time, no, magkakaroon tayo ng group sharing ulit. Yung debate dual group na ginawa natin. Then after that, magkakaroon tayo ng sharing. Yung last 4 groups, yung number 5, 6, 7, and 8. Sila naman po yung mag-sharing dito. So, mag-ready po. And then after that, meron tayong commitment rights na in-explain sa atin ni Father Joel before he left last night, no? So, meron ditong cartolina na ibibigay sa yellow paper, no? Manila paper, sorry. Yes. So, ibibigay ko to for group, di ba? And then, gagawa tayo ng tulong, as like Father Joel said, and yung mga commitment natin, no? Yung gusto natin commit sa Panginoon, sa paglilingkod natin sa Kanya. So, yun po yung ating cycle, and after that, hindi ko alam kung magkakaroon pa tayo time for the groupings, no? But that's the most important thing, no? So, if we have time per ministry, magkakaroon tayo ng very, very short meeting. So, yun po ang mangyayari the whole day. And then, we go back to SBP and face the world again. A new challenge for us, a new challenge for those who are serving the Lord. So, let's face the world again. Let's face another challenge of giving glory for our God. Amen? Amen. So, yun po. So, let's break into group. Ganito po. Dahil umuulan po, dito sa loob, yung 4 na groups, 1, 2, 3, 4, gumamela, sunflower, tulip, saka bougainvillea, dito po. And there's a malaking chapel, rose, orchids, then yung maliit na chapel, dahlia and carnation. So, let's go back in 1 hour. Dito po ulit sa lugar na to. Yeah, yesterday, yung mga facilitators, binigyan po tayo ng hangouts. So, yung last portion, so lahat po ng facilitator, no? Pero binigyan po tayo ng hangouts, di po ba? Alright, so, nasa lower portion po siya. So, yun po yung ating point of discussion. Okay? So, I think let's start breaking into groups and let's go back again to this venue. Yes, sister?
I understand why is the Lord of sharing hapon, then part of may ng sharing, tapos
dapat gano'n before we proceed to the...
Sorry po, but last night po, kung natatandaan ninyo, tinatawag kami ni Father Joel lahat ng facilitators. Alright, so ito po yung napag-usapan namin, ito po yung aming napag-discussan, so ito po yung final na po. Okay, we will not do this without the knowledge of our parish priests. So, sundin lang po natin yung activities na yan. So, after that, sabi ko in 1 hour, we have to go back here. No? And then we have yeah, kaya after like what we discussed, the last 4 groups, yung 5, 6, 7, and 8 will present here kung ano yung reflections ng ating on the second talk.
Hindi na po tayo magkakaroon ng ministry meeting. Ang ano na po magawa po natin itong pinagagawa ng commitment 3. After that, balik po tayo dito para ma-discuss po at saka yung 4 na grupo po ay makapag-report.
Yes, exactly. Kasi yun nga, yun yung napag-usapan namin. So, baka if kaya ako sinabi if there is time, no, kasi hindi natin alam kung anong oras darating yung bus. Pero kinontak naman na, so as much as possible, nandito yung mas maaging service natin. So if there's no other thing we can do, kung assuming lang na hindi dumating yung service natin, no, siguro, kaysa wala tayong gawin, yung baka may gusto pa kayo i-discuss sa mga ministry, no, you can go ahead and have it discuss. Alright? So,
sige po, ganito po hahatiin na natin po yung group natin sa hapon. Natatandaan niyo pa ba? Siyempre, yung mga ID niyo po, yan po yung magmamarga ng mga group niyo. So, yung lahat ng question nyo na yun, pwede na po daanan, tapusin nyo na po lahat. Kasama yung commitment 3. Para hindi na po tayo ulit mag-bring into the group. Lahat po yun, sa panel natin, pag nagkalimang si Brother R3, lahat po tayo dito lahat. Okay po ba yun? Ang sasagutin lang, yung second question, yung second topic, plus yung Manila paper po. Commitment 3. So, ibig sabihin po nun, yung commitment 3 na doon, yung mga questions sa facilitator nyo kung paano mo gagawin. Okay po? Sige po. Let's group na po ourselves according sa inyong mga hours.